with your eyes. I get a hint of the purple.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie and Karibu Sana. Thank you for clicking on this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. I know I went missing last week. I just took a little break and yeah, so we're back. Anyway, we're going to start off this video by washing the washing machine. Yeah guys, do you see how that compartment looks? Disgusting. And I had actually watched it a couple of weeks ago because it was disgusting. Anyway, I'm going to show you the products that I'm using in a while, so make sure you stay tuned. They're really simple. So I'm going to start off by scrubbing the compartment. That is the dirtiest part. So let's get straight into the video.
Ooh, I'm glued to you, honey, like
So guys, I was actually shocked to see that my filter was not that dirty. I'm sure you can see. So that's a good one.
tearing it up with the style. You got me living a brand new kind of life. At midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. TikTok, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. I'm glued to you, honey, like I'm glued to you, honey, like don't forget I love that honey taste, yeah. I'm feeling like a double dipping day. Oh, it's a double dipping day. I can't get enough of sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. I'm glued to you, honey, like I'm glued to you, honey, like
when I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise. Tear all the worries out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. this was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong.
So guys, these are the products that I'm going to use. This is Dr. Bexman washing machine care cleaner. So I got this a while back from Carrefour, and it does an amazing job, and I'm going to put that in the soap compartment, and I'm gonna put a lot, okay, not a lot, just enough. And then I'm going to go ahead adding a little bit of vinegar just to make sure it eliminates all that bad odor. And then for the bicarbonate of soda, I'm just going to put that in the drum.
Don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing on the moon.
So once my products are in there, I'm going to use this setting, the Eco Drum Clean. So in case your machine doesn't have that, you can use the normal cycle option, I think. But I think most of these automated ones definitely have this option. So as you can see, it sets your water to the highest, not the highest temperature, but to quite a really high temperature, which is really nice because that means all the germs are going to be dead. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and just run the cycle.
Miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget.
So this was on a different day, and it was actually my daughter's fourth birthday. And yeah, so anyway, this cake, you guys, this cake, I'm going to tag the place I usually get this cake. This is a cake I usually get every year, every birthday, because you guys, this is the best cake ever. Anyway, so we went to pick her cousin as well, just to take them out and have a little bit of fun. Once we had some lunch, I went ahead and changed their clothes because I knew there would be a lot of jumping. And yeah, anyway, so we are going to go to the Ferris wheel. I think it's called the Ferris wheel. That was one of the things that brought us to Two Rivers, and my girl was really excited. I actually thought maybe she'd be a little bit scared. She wasn't, you guys, she wasn't. Anyway, let's go ahead and just have some fun. So on this day, this was in the morning, and I was making some breakfast. As you can see, I have some dough, so we are going to go ahead and make some mini mandazis. We actually love mandazis in this house. So yeah, anyway, and it's actually really simple to make mandazis, so why not? Anyway, let's go ahead and do that.
I don't wanna play no games, baby. I'll treat you different, show you commitment. She might be my baby, let me love you crazy. Let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, be my baby, I ain't gonna be shady, I ain't messing around.
So guys, I got these shape makers from House of Leather a while back, and my girl loves using them. Anyway, this is what I was going to use just to make it a little bit spicy, just not the normal mandazi shape. And my girl loves this kind of thing, so I have a couple of them. They come in like sizes. There's a really smaller size, and then this is the biggest size.
This ain't gonna be no broken promise. No show, girl, I'm just being honest. I'll give you what you've been missing. Kisses in the rain, I'll love away your pain. Romantic, that is all I'll give you. No reason to go back on my love. I'll hold you so tight, you'll be snug. She might be my baby, let me love you crazy. Let me hold you down like gravity to the ground. Oh, be my baby, I ain't gonna be shady, I ain't messing around. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away. Even when we old and gray, know that I'll be here to stay. Let's fall in love, I won't let us fade away. Even when we old and gray, know that I'll be here to stay. And give you that retro love. Give you that retro love. Talking to me with your eyes, I get a hint of the perfume that I like. Wear it like a disguise, I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock.
So same day dinner, I was making some fish, some greens right there. And for my fish, I actually had these ingredients already placed here. I had some soy sauce, some ginger garlic paste, I have some dhania, and then I have all these mixed spices. I have some tomato paste and definitely some green pepper, some onions, and some tomatoes. So we were going to have fish stew, some veggies, and some ugali.
Honey, like I'm walking around with a smile. You got me feeling like curfew after 9. Yeah, you're tearing it up with the style. You got me living a brand new kind of life. At midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey, I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. Get enough of sweet, sweet loving like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey, I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. I'm glued to Oh, honey bunny, sugar coming. White collar, white collar, white collar, white. Oh, honey bunny, sugar coming. White collar, white collar, white collar, white. You're such a fool if you believe that you found the truth.
And that was our dinner. We had this with some mala on the side, and it was so good, you guys. So good.
Burn the fire. Your heart doesn't shock the wire. Oh, honey.
So this was a different day, and I was making some githeri. If maybe you're not Kenyan, githeri is a mix of beans and maize. So that is what we were making. And guys, this is one of our favorite meals in this house. We love some githeri, as long as it has potatoes. So yeah.
White collar, she's probably asleep. Oh, white collar, she doesn't wanna meet. Oh, honey bunny, sugar coming. White collar, white collar, white collar, white. Oh, honey bunny, sugar coming. White collar, white collar, white collar, white. Talking to me with your eyes, I get a hint of the perfume that I like. Wear it like a disguise, I come around with the perfect alibi. Midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star up and down in the sky. I can't get enough of sweet, sweet loving, like we're just a couple bees, please. I'm glued to you, honey, like leave me, and I'll be sticking to you. I'm glued to you, honey. I'm glued to you, honey. Hey. Ooh, ah, ooh. I'm glued to you, honey, like ooh, ah, ooh. I'm glued to you, honey, like. I'm walking around with a smile. You got me feeling like curfew after 9. Yeah. You're tearing it up with your style. You got me living a brand new kind of life. At midnight, pouring my heart out like it's water. Tick-tock, you know this night ain't getting younger. Feels like chasing a star.
So that was our dinner. It was really good, you guys. I love this type of githeri. Just make sure it's not, it's a little bit thick. It tastes amazing with some avocado on the side. Anyway, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, make sure to leave a comment, and if you've not subscribed, please do so, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.
Talking to me with your eyes, I get a hint of the